This is currently an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Sometimes, at the end of a question, you'll be asked to change this back into a mixed number, to think where would this go on a number line, how big is this, that sort of thing, or comparing numbers is very useful. So we need to change this improper fraction back to a mixed number. Remembering that a mixed number is one that has an integer, a whole number part, and a fraction part. So you've got a number and you've got a fraction like that, and that's what it's going to look like. So let's look at how we'll do that. First of all, as often with fraction, we'll try using a bar and see if that's going to help us. So if I draw a bar, there we are, that's my whole. And I'm going to cut it into 5 because the denominator here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well now I need to shade 23 of them. Well, that is obviously a bit of a problem because I can easily shade 5 of them, but that's not 23. So what I'm going to need to do is have another bar, and we already knew that was true because improper fractions are ones that are bigger than a whole. They are bigger than one whole bar. So I'm going to need to have another whole bar. So let's draw another bar. And if I cut that into 5 and shade them, that would be 10, so that's still no good to me. So let's try doing another one. Okay, well another one here, if I cut that into 5, that's going to be 15. It's going to be 20. Oh, now that would be 25, and that's more than I need, so let's give this a go. So let's cut each one into 5. Okay. So if I shade all of those, I've shaded 10 pieces, I've shaded 15 pieces, I've shaded 20 pieces, and so I need to shade just 3 here. Now I've shaded 23 fifths. But if I want this as a mixed number, I need to think about how many whole bars, how many holes have I shaded? Well, I've shaded all of this bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, but not all of the last one, so that's 4. And then the last one, I've shaded 3 fifths. So this, as a fraction, 23 out of 5 is the same as 4 and 3 fifths. So I can actually say these things are equal to each other. So if I want to write 23 over 5 as a mixed number, it would be 4 and 3 fifths. Now again, there is a method that means you don't actually need to draw the bars out. You can just look at the patterns and the numbers and follow rules, but I want you to discover that for yourself or to use the bars. Either method is equally good.